They're $19.99 plus tax. Hello. So not every time someone comes into your store will they buy, but sometimes they're coming just to get a look at what you have, and sometimes they come because they plan on buying, just not today, and maybe they're going to come back and get that purchase. I have seen that. So for those of you out there who may get discouraged when people stop by but don't purchase, sometimes they're going to come back. It's a rainy day, and I must say I love the sound of rain. It is so soothing. Hello. Question for you.
Does the weather affect your business?
So drop down in the comments and let me know how you feel about it. But I do feel like sometimes the weather does affect my business, because when it's too cold outside until I get my physical in-store location, I am not going to be out there at the market selling. So of course I'm not going to be making money. And then when it rains, it's hit or miss. Sometimes when it rains, we do see more people come out just because no one wants to be in the house all day long. But if it's raining like super hard, storming, oh, it's going to be pretty slow. Yep. Now, when I had my salon, if you don't know, my first business was a salon. When I had the salon, oh, let it rain. It was going to be slow, baby. Nobody was coming. Nope. We just made a sale. Money, money, it looks like money, 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 it looks like money. Tell me, baby, can you stand the rain? Storms will come, this we know for sure. Am I the only person when it rains that song just comes to mind in that movie? I don't know, maybe it's just me. Okay, so I need you guys' help. I need to find a stand or a podium to put my tablet on that's like bedazzled, because that ain't the look. So it did start raining, and I'm kind of excited because I get to wear my poncho that I got from Amazon. I haven't worn it since I got it, but I got it because at the markets when it rains, I always get wet. So it did pick up a little bit. Hopefully it continues to pick up. But we shall see. I need to find my brush. This is just ridiculous. Hopefully it continues to pick up, but we'll see. Alright, I'm gonna continue making scrunchies. Okay, so this bin right here, this is the bin that I would like to replace. I want something that is bedazzled, but I do not like it sitting on that bin. I need something for my tablet to sit on that is not that bin. If you have any ideas, let me know. Make sure to drop a comment below. You ready? You only got 4. We just made a sale. Money, money, it looks like money. Money, money, it looks like money. That's your card. You said 214? Yep. Need a receipt? Okay. All right. Thank you. See you later. Squishies are $6.42.
How much is it?
Oh, Barney.
Hey, so what, man? How much do you want it for? I'll take $10. Oh. No, all three. All three.
Oh, don't throw it. Don't throw it. Okay, so I love little kid shoppers. I love them to death. However, parents, I really need for you to teach your children that if you break, you will be buying it. Like, I've had that happen too many times where now I have to start charging the parents if your children breaks anything within my boutique. Like, the dad was standing close by, and I felt like, he should have told his children, don't over squeeze to where the packages are opening. But because he didn't say anything, I had to go over there and rearrange it and fix it, and then he moved his children out of the way. But I just feel like it should be some type of level of respect as a parent to respect a business, to not let your children just do whatever they want to. just made a sale. Money, money, it looks like money. Money, money, it looks like money.
445?
536.
536?
Yes. Thank you. That's a compliment. You're welcome. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Well, you guys, that's the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.